Hello guys, welcome to our new video, and today's celebrity Benjamin Netanyahu. Benjamin Netanyahu, the long-serving Prime Minister of Israel, has been a prominent figure in global politics. Standing approximately 5 feet 11 inches tall, he maintains a relatively fit physique. Over the years, Netanyahu has built considerable wealth with an estimated net worth of around $13 million. His political career spans decades, with numerous accomplishments and controversies. Born in Tel Aviv on October 21, 1949, Netanyahu's early life and education set the stage for his future endeavors. He completed his secondary education in the United States, returning to Israel for military service. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell button for more update. Biography. Real name Benjamin B.B. Netanyahu. Nickname Bibi. Profession politician, economic consultant, writer. Years active 1984 to present. Ethnicity Jewish. Biggest rival David Levy. Zodiac sign Libra. Date of birth 21st October 1949. Age 74 years as of 2024. Place of birth Tel Aviv, Israel. Residence Jerusalem, Israel. Nationality Israeli. Religion Judaism. Education. School Henrietta Fitzgerald Elementary School, Cheltenham High School. College Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Harvard University. Education qualification graduate. Career. Benjamin Netanyahu's career is marked by numerous achievements. He has served multiple terms as the Prime Minister of Israel since first being elected in 1996. His leadership has been pivotal during times of both peace and conflict. One of his notable achievements includes economic reforms that have strengthened Israel's economy. He has also played a key role in enchanting Israel's security and advancing international relations. His tenure has been characterized by significant policy changes and diplomatic maneuvers. Netanyahu's influence extends beyond Israel. He is recognized internationally for his oratory skills and strategic thinking. His speeches at global forums reflect his deep understanding of political affairs and his commitment to his country's interest. Netanyahu's personal life has also been in the spotlight. Married 3 times, he has 3 children. His leadership style often reflects a blend of determination and strategic acumen, making him a complex and influential leader. Family. Father Benjamin Netanyahu. Mother Tizela Sigal. Brothers Yonatan Netanyahu. Wife or spouse. Spouse Sarah Netanyahu, married 1991. Flower Katis, married 1981 to 1989. Miriam Haran, married 1972 to 1979. Children Yair Netanyahu, Avner Netanyahu, Noah Netanyahu Roth. Physical statistics and more. Height 5 feet 10 inches or 178 centimeter. Weight approximately 75 kg. Eye color hazel green. Hair color white. Net worth. His net worth is around $80 million. Interesting facts. Netanyahu lived in the United States for several years during his youth and completed his high school education there. He attended the Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT) and earned both a Bachelor of Science and Master of Science degree. He served in an elite unit of the Israeli Defense Force known as Shariat Matkal. Netanyahu's brother Yonatan Yoni Netanyahu was a real hero in Israel and died during the Entebbe raid. He hosted a television program called Terrorism: How the West Can Win before his full-time political career. Netanyahu is fluent in English and Hebrew, and he often uses his linguistic skills in international discussions. He has written and published several books about terrorism and international affairs. Favorite things. Favorite poet: Haim Nahman Paleg. Favorite books: The Five Forefathers of Zionism by Ben-Zion Netanyahu. Favorite food: pistachio flavored ice cream. Favorite sports: baseball. House. Benjamin Netanyahu lives in a luxurious house which is located in Jerusalem, Israel. Social media profiles: YouTube 66.2 thousand subscribers, Twitter 86.3 thousand followers, Instagram 1.3 million followers.